Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's another video that'll make life a little simpler with the interlocking ring type effect. This is really easy. My mathematical guru actually suggested it, but ironically, I just thought of it this morning. I'm going to take a rectangle, let's make it a little bit less thick, and I'm going to make the rounded corners 3 inches. You can see it's not quite enough, so we'll do 4. And that'll give us a perfect shape. Double click on your pen tool. We're going to make it 72 points. Whoop, I didn't hit OK. So double click on your pen tool, 72, and then hit OK. We got a 72-inch line. We're going to go to, and you could use any number, pixels or inches. We're going to convert the outline to an object. We're going to left click, right click. And then we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees, Control D, Control D. So we've got 4 objects, but we're only have to do one of them. So at this time, if you will select it all and group it together, and you'll see why in just a little bit, it'll be easier to move it out of the way. So we're going to take our Smart Fill tool and we're going to go over that one, under that one, over that one, under that one, over that one, under that one, over, under, over, under, then over, and under. So we have those dashes set. So now we can take our nudge factor. Let's see how big this thing is. It's 30 inches. Let's make our nudge factor 35. And let's take our group and just move it out of the way. Now, at this time, if you combine this, or actually weld it, it'll keep those lines like we talked about yesterday. Control D and make a duplicate. Let's make the duplicate yellow. Let's rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, we'll make the duplicate blue. Control D, and make the duplicate brown. Now, we have interlocking under, over, all that quick. We only had to do one of them, because they're symmetrical and they're even. I like it quite a bit more than I had on the thin one, because you can actually tell. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.